Motorola has just launched a new budget smartphone in India called the G22 that promises a bit more than just the essential features. Now, some of the highlights of this phone include a 90Hz display, 20-watt fast charging, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Let's crack the box open to check it out.
The G22 comes with plenty of bundle accessories for a budget smartphone. You get a transparent silicone case, USB Type-C cable, and a 20-watt power brick, which is pretty good. For a phone with a massive 5000 mAh battery, Motorola has done a great job in keeping the weight down. The Moto G22 weighs just 185 grams and is 8.5 millimeters thick. The plastics used for the body look and feel great. The back panel does pick up fingerprints, but they aren't immediately visible, at least on this cosmic black unit that I have. The G22 is also available in iceberg blue, and there's an upcoming mint green color. The Moto G22 has a flat 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with an HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. Now, in the short time that I've been using it, colors have been decent and even brightness is also fairly good when using it outdoors. The slightly rough edges of the icons and text in the UI are the only real giveaways that the G22 has a low resolution screen. The Moto G22 has a single speaker on the bottom and a headphone jack on the top. The SIM tray supports a micro SD card of up to 1 TB along with 2 nano SIMs. The fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button and does its job well. The G22 doesn't have any IP rating, but Motorola claims the design is water repellent. The MediaTek Helio G37 SoC makes its debut in the Moto G22. The main new feature here is its ability to handle 90Hz refresh rate displays, but is otherwise very similar to the Helio G35 and doesn't support 5G. The Moto G22 is only available in one configuration in India, with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The Moto G22 ships with Android 12 and Motorola has committed to 3 years of security updates for it. The interface is slick and is the closest you'll get to a stock Android experience outside of a Pixel smartphone. Motorola hasn't skimped on the cameras on the G22. There are 4 on the back, which include a 50 megapixel primary, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. The G22 also has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now, on paper, the cameras seem as though they should be able to handle basic photography quite well, but we'll know for sure after testing them in the full review.
So that's it for a quick first look at the brand new Motorola Moto G22. Let me know your thoughts about this smartphone in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so you're always notified whenever we push out a new video. Thanks for watching.